Hello and welcome back to the channel again, this time with my V6 Omega. I've done a few things to the car by past weeks. I did add new handbrake shoes and new retainer pins, levers and springs there. So basically everything that moves inside the drum is now new. I also welded a couple patches to the passenger side sill, and very soon I'm about to take the car to the test drive, but I need to wash it first because, as you can see, it's pretty dirty and filthy. I just gave the car a quick wash only by snow foam, but it already cleaned up pretty well, so we're ready for test drive. So, as you guys saw, that was the end of my test drive and everything seems to be working fine there. I let the car on idle now to cool down a little bit after my drive, but I'm looking forward for the becoming summer. Just show the car to garage, but at the end of this vid I wanna say a few things about the car's future. So still it isn't finished yet because I need to do realignment to it in the next week. And that's because there was too much negative camber on the right side front wheel, so I want to get that fixed first to get the car's most out of the car's drivability, because right now on the limit of grip it isn't there, it doesn't feel like proper Omega should. So that will be done next, but thanks for your interest of this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.